Creative agencies often struggle with keeping everybody in sync about each project's progress, especially when they have remote teams too. This tutorial will show you how to assign users and comment at the task level in real time, create accurate team schedules, and track time accurately to get paid fairly by your clients. Let's select an existing project to see how it works. Click on the Tasks tab at the top of the screen. From here, you can create tasks and assign them to users. Each task belongs to a task list, which can help you organize different categories of tasks. For example, for my new website project, I can organize my tasks under the Marketing and Architecture task lists. Now, I can add tasks relevant to each category. To keep only the relevant team members updated with regard to each task's progress, assign them by clicking on the Assign To icon and check them one by one. Any user assigned to the task can also add comments to collaborate in real time with each other, or attach important files to provide further context. Files can be uploaded either from your computer or from Google Drive and have a maximum file size of 2 GB. If you work against a deadline, set up a start and end date for the task from the calendar. You can even go one step further and specify how much time each team member should spend on a specific task. To do this, head over to the Team Scheduling module. We're now in the team view with users on the left side, and their schedules are displayed on the right on the timeline. For a different perspective, switch to the project view to see how schedules stack up at a project level. Let's stick with the user view for now, though. You'll notice a couple of so-called ghost bookings with a ghost icon in front of them. These represent auto-generated bookings which are based on the previous start and end dates of the added tasks. Instead of manually adding up bookings, you can convert them into real ones in no time. To do so, click on a ghost booking. In the window that opens, the project, task, and date range have already been assigned, and Paymo automatically displays the user's daily bookable hours and total bookable hours for the specified date range. For example, 8 available hours per day over 3 business days for a total of 24 bookable hours. What's left for you is to specify how many hours they're going to work on the task. To manually create a booking for a specific user, navigate to the row of the task, then click and drag on the timeline from the day it should start to the day by which it should end. Fill in the details as before, and voila, you've created a booking. Pay attention though for the red warning sign. This one appears whenever the booking dates don't match the initial task dates. To adjust them, simply tick the checkbox Auto Adjust Task Range, and the system will automatically do it for you. Once a booking is saved, the colored bar in front of the user will show you their remaining capacity for each day. This makes it easier for you to spot who's overbooked in red, underbooked in green, or full in yellow. If someone's overbooked and you want to free them up, modify their bookings directly on the timeline simply by dragging and resizing them with your mouse. Paymo also lets you mark employee days off thanks to its built-in leave planner without having to leave the scheduler. Manually add a booking by clicking and dragging on the timeline and choose the Leave tab this time. Here, you can define the leave type and the date range for when the paid time off will occur. Once saved, the time off will appear on the user's schedule in a light yellow color to signal their absence. Last but not least, you can transform the existing bookings into time entries. For this, head over to the Timesheets module, click on the Add Bulk Time button, and click on Import Time from Bookings. All bookings are automatically converted into time entries, minimizing the data entry process. You can also track time in real time to find out how much to bill your clients at the end of each project. For this, use the web timer here in the bottom left corner. Select the project and task that you're working on, annotate details if necessary, then start the timer. Once you've finished your work, simply hit the stop button and you're done. All time entries will appear in the Timesheets module for you to view and manage them. If you don't want to log into the web app, use the desktop widget. You can track time using a similar stopwatch like before, or add it manually as bulk or interval time in case you forgot to clock in. Idle time is automatically detected depending on how you set it, so you don't have to worry about forgetting to stop it. At the end of the day, you can view all your time entries for the current and past days as well. The best part is that the desktop widget integrates directly into the Adobe App Suite, including Photoshop, so you can track your time and focus on your work without getting distracted by other apps. Be sure to download the desktop widget and Adobe CC extension by going to the Downloads page.